What's going on, guys? Johnny Bubbles back with another Shoe Care Academy video. This time, it's a very special one. We have teamed up with the Washington football team to clean a couple of their players' cleats. Now, recently, they came out to Arizona and played against the Cardinals, and they heard about Reshoevn8r's first sneaker drop-off service right here inside of Many Worlds. They wanted to test us out, so they sent us some beat cleats. Now, the great thing about this partnership, guys, is the players went ahead and autographed each individual shoe, and we will be raffling those off because 100% of those proceeds will be going to the National African American History Museum, which that is super exciting to hear. Now, it's gonna be a big task, guys, because these shoes are super filthy and they stink, but I'm ready for the challenge. So let's get bubbly. Woo! All right, guys, the first shoe that I'm gonna be tackling is Chase Young's Under Armour cleat because I feel like this is gonna be the hardest one to do with it being white, and this mesh material here is, I'm pretty sure it's gonna be stained, but I'm excited to see how well I can get it done. So the first step, as always, guys, is to grab our adjustable shoe tree, adjust it to size. These are size like 13 or 14, so that should be good right here. Boom, and then remove the laces. All right, guys, the laces are now removed. The next step is to add some solution to our bowl of water and start scrubbing with our soft bristle brush. Fran, hit me. Woo! All right, guys, I am done with the first shoe. Moving on to the second, which is my favorite out of the bunch, the Jordan 10 PEs, which don't look too bad. There is a little staining here on this nubuck material, but I'm excited to see how I can go ahead and take care of it and hopefully not get any bleeding. But guys, a couple fun facts about the Washington football team is they've won 3 Super Bowls, which Steve was actually at their first Super Bowl win back in Super Bowl 17. So go ahead and comment on Steve's latest video and say, yo, Steve, how was Super Bowl 17? Heard you were there. I think tickets were like $1 back then. But let's go ahead, guys, and get into this cleaning and try to get these looking nice and new again. All right, guys, we are back. It's been a few days since I went ahead and started this cleaning. As you can see, the cleats came out immaculate. They look way better than they did before, and they smell 10 times better as well. I do want to give a shout out to the Washington football team for providing these 5 cleats for us to give away to 5 lucky winners. That's right, guys. You do have a chance at entering our cleat giveaway for $10. Real easy. 100% of the proceeds will go to the National Museum of African American History and Culture. So it's going to a good cause, guys. And if you want to know the full details, just check the description below, guys. But let me know, guys, in the comment section, who is your favorite football team? Let's talk about it. I'm Johnny Bubbles, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.